Hi friend, how are you? If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated and different information related to technical and activities of life. Today my discussing topic is about conductors. Different types of conductors has been used nowadays for industrial purpose, for domestic purpose, for commercial purpose and different area for electrifications or for communications where different purpose we are using the conductors. So today I just differentiate between two conductors. One is the solid conductor and other is the flexible conductors. In my hand this is the flexible conductor and standard conductor. Standard means lots of conductors, single core. This is not the single core conductors, this is the single core conductor, and this is the multi standard conductors. Lots of conductors are just placed one by one to make these types of conductors. So this is called the solid wire, and this is the solid core. This has the solid core and this is not the solid core. Consists of the several thinner wire twist into a bundles. So this is just twist in a bundle to make these flexible conductors. Few factors are there to maintain the or to selections for these conductor, which conductors among these two conductors, which one is best, we have to select by help of few factors. These few factors are load means current carrying capacities, use case, cost, metal type and wire gauge. So first let's start about the standard conductor. Standard conductor means lots of thinner wires are just twist into a bundle. This is called the standard conductors. So these thin bundled wire are compressed and insulated with non-conductive material. So this is the insulation part, non-conductive materials on the upper side of the conducting material. This is the conducting copper materials and this is the non-conductive material. So these wire are flexible and make it ideal for connecting electronics component used in indoor application, electronics device, circuit board and speaker wire. This is so now let's start about what is solid type of conductor. So solid conductors, that I have shown friend, this is the solid type conductor. Solid metal core wire is a much heavier, thicker product that than the standard wire. It is ideal for the outdoor use where more durability and higher current are required. Higher current are required, these types of conductors we used. So these conductors has resistance to weather, extreme environmental conditions, and these types of conductors is used for high current throughout the building infrastructure, vehicles control, various outdoor applications, different area. These types of conductors has been used. So friend, you are seeing that the insulation is the PVC insulation, and from this PVC insulation, this is also the PVC insulations, and inside the PVC insulation a aluminum wire is present. This is the solid single core, single standard conductor. So I am just inserted it inside these insulations, insulations, because this was the two wire conductor. One is for the phase and other is for the neutral. That's why we are just cutting from the two wire for the example. That's why these two holes are present here. Okay friends, if we compare among these two type of conductor, first point in our mind will come current capacity. The current capacity of the solid wire offer high current capacity. Surface area standard wire has a more surface area because lots of conductors and lots of thin wires are twisted into a bundle, and there also has an air gap and surface area is more than the solid wire. That's why it can dissipate lots of heats. Routing the standard wire offer the superior bendability and flexibility, making them easier to route around obstacles than solid wire. So the standard wire you can bend here and there. You can easily bend. You can easily bend it. You can twist it, bend it. So it can and be easy for the installations. Its bendability and flexibility is more than the solid conductors, more than the solid conductor, because this is the solid conductor. If you bend it, it will be broken. It will be broken as like this is the aluminum conductors. I was trying to bend it. It is just broken from each other. So its flexibility, it has no flexibility. So it's the difference. But this has a flexibility. You cannot, you can bend it, you can fold it. It will, no effect will be there, or nothing will be broken, because the flexibility is very important. And cost, where we are discussing about the cost, the production cost is much lower in the solid wire, because the one core is present, the insulation on the upper, so the wire is ready. So the cost of manufacturing is lesser, because in the standard conductor, lots of conductor thin wire you have to twist and then bundle, then put the insulation. So the labor cost and the production cost will be high. So for the solid conductor or single stand conductor, the manufacturing cost is low. Ease of manufacturing, solid wire is easy to be manufactured. The labor cost will be less than the standard conductor. Distance, for long run, solid wire are better choice. For long run, if the distance is longer, then you have to use the solid wire, because the in the case of the long distance, the wire will be laying on the straight cut way. So there should be very useful in the case of the long run. And in the short run, this wire is very easily to be installed in the obstacled area, or different type area. You can use these types of conductor. So I try to draw a solid wire as this. The insulation is green here, and this is the copper, this is aluminum. So it is white in color. This is copper. And in case of the standard wire, the lots of individual wires are there. Are on the upper side of the conductors, the insulation is used as this. The insulation is used here. The gray color insulation is the individual cores. All are the individual cores. So this is the difference, and this is most important in case of different interview. Lots of questions may be asked from this standard wires and the single wire. So friend, you have to know about the standard wire, its advantage and disadvantage, and the solid wire, its advantage and disadvantage. It will be very easy for you to face the interview. So friend, if you interested my video, please share my channel and subscribe my channel. And obviously share my video with your friends and colleagues. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.